Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I think it's going to be wrapped again. Let's see, open it up. Gonna be some pants. Okay, so here we go. So these are them here. They are cargo pants, very cool looking outdoor cargo pants. And I got size 32-30, which is what I wear. Okay, and then what is this? This here is a knee pad, so you have some knee pads as well. So let's go ahead and try this on. I have a swimsuit on. Put on the pants instead. Okay, so see how these go. Got a very strong, very big button there. It's a good button. Look cool too. Okay, so on. I'll show you guys what we've got here. Oh, it's got some stretchy on the waist. Okay. Okay, here we go. You can see it from here. Okay, so here we go. So this is it here. Let's go fold it up there. So this is very true to size. So if you wear 32-30, this would be your size. I'm about 5'10", 185 pounds or so. Hopefully I'll be down to 175 or so. It'll be a little bit looser, but what's cool about that is it has these here were stretchy, so it can stretch itself back down again. These ones here are great. They'd be great for like hiking or doing anything on. It's got those knee pads, so it looks like probably gonna have to go in on the inside, and they will go there to keep that part. There's pockets everywhere and Velcro everywhere, so you can put a phone or something in there. That one's very much on the side. This one here's in the front. And we got that same thing there and there. In the back, we've got a couple of deep pockets if I'm putting something in there. This is a huge battery pack, but it goes way all the way in there. In the front as well. So if you have the biggest of phones, it'll fit. There's a little mini pocket there as well. So these are it. They're comfortable. They fit good on my butt. Yeah, I can sit down with these on, no problem. So these are good. Nice looking pants too. They look good. So if you're going outdoorsy and doing stuff and you'll be carrying a lot of stuff with you, these will be great. And it says they are waterproof on there on the outer side of it. They're water resistant, I guess. They have YKK zippers, so got the best zippers around. And then these are the little knee pads, so they have to do it inside out to put them in there. So let me go ahead and just take a look at how these will go. It says, turn the inner side of the pant leg inside out. There's a pocket on the inner side, then fold the knee pad, place the knee pad with the front side facing the outer layer of the pants into the knee pocket. I guess it's gonna go like this on there. Let's go ahead and try it. I'll take it off and we'll go ahead and try this together. Okay. Oh, so I should just let it go inside out. Okay, so we're gonna go inside out here, and the knee pocket was over here somewhere. It's gonna go in here, so that's where it'll go. So I guess you'll just squeeze it in there, folding it in half and putting it in, and then rotating it around to fit. That's gonna be how you put the knee pants in. So pretty cool. Neat little setup here. Nice pants, and they're comfortable, and it'll be nice to have some little knee pad ones in there too for doing things, or if you want to fall on your knee, you'd be okay. So nice, comfortable pants. I like it. Thumbs up.